Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Green. This is another in my pre-cal lessons. What you're looking at today is lesson number 6.4, which is polar complex number math. Now, I don't want to make this any harder than it really is. If you're adding, you add. If you're subtracting, you subtract. Put them in the trigonometric polar complex form and just add the parts that go together. Add the A parts together and add the B parts together, and you get a resulting vector. And you're done. Or if you're subtracting, subtract the A parts and the B parts, and you're done. It really is a lot simpler than what they make it in the lesson, but it does work out pretty simply. If you just follow the process and make it work like they do in the lesson, you'll be fine. Okay? For addition and subtraction. Multiplication really is a lot simpler because they go through all the identity work and they show you all the what identities they're using and everything else. So if you're multiplying two vectors like these two right down here, where you've got r cosine theta r times cosine theta plus I sine theta, and r2 times cosine theta 2 plus I theta 2. Wow, getting that out's hard. To find their product, you just multiply the r's together, and then you'll add the thetas together for the cosine and add the thetas together for the sine. They work that all out for you, and it really works fairly simply. For the quotient, you divide the r's, r1 divided by r2, and then subtract the thetas from each other. It really does work, and it's just a matter of following this form, and it'll work out every time for you. Okay, so that's what you're doing for multiplying and dividing. Adding, subtracting is fairly straightforward. I am once again going to be in star testing, so I will look for you next week. Bye.